Welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will learn how to install Ollama on Mac. So using Ollama, you can easily install models on your local system. So let us see. At first, go to the web browser. Feel free to use any web browser. On Google, type Ollama and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. After clicking, directly the download button is visible. You can also click the download button here. So I'll click. After clicking, it automatically detected that we are on a Mac system. Click download for Mac OS. Click allow. The download started. Let's wait. It's 47 MB. We have downloaded the DMG package of Ollama. Double click on it. Now drag these two applications, that is drag Ollama to applications. It is complete. We have pasted Ollama here. So I'll close this. I typed O to search Ollama. Here it is. Let us double click. Click open. Enter the admin password. This is the password of your Mac system. That's it. Click OK. Now Ollama is visible. You can minimize this. Okay. You can see here it is currently providing the following models by default. GPT OSS also, DeepSeek also. Okay. Also you can use command prompt. For that, go to Spotlight search, type terminal. Click on it. Here is the terminal. Here I'll type Ollama. Press enter. You can see Ollama is visible. That means we successfully installed it. So these are the commands to create a model, display information for a model, run a model, delete a model. Now refer to our free Ollama tutorial. The link is in the description of the video. In that we have shown how to add a model, how to run a model. We can also stop a model. With that we can also list all the running models, or we can also remove a model. Thank you for watching the video.